the game might be very physical. Okay? So, kung papayagan kung hahayaan ng mga ng officiating na maging physical, then let's play physical. Kayo matakot. Ha? Wala lang extra. Just within basketball rules lang tayo. There are times na may mali tayong judgment. Niratrat natin. The least thing that you can do, get back the ball. You don't use the officiating as an excuse, guys. Play your game. Laruin nyo kung ano yung laro nyo, ha? Huwag nyo intindihin yung galit ko. Pakinggan nyo lang. Okay? We are 9-0. Okay? We are going to get our 10th win today. Yes. Okay?
Let's go! Let's go! Mars on 3, 1, 2, 3! Gandang challenge ulit sa atin, physicality. So, anticipate natin yun. Para nangyari last game. Second half, naging physical sila, naging aggressive. So, anticipate natin. Start muna sa game. Starters, start strong. Off the bench, ready pare. So, energy. And enjoy pare.
Currently undefeated. Cebu is in the midst of a 5-game winning run. Heruela attacks, spins, takes the jumper, and it's good for different types of games. As you see, the transition game working so far for Cebu. Cebu playing with a lot of tenacity. Fitter of the MPBL, Heruela on target from downtown. Cebu playing with a lot of pace. Montiveros wide open, knocks down the fray. Gabo swings it to Antonio Eusebio, who launches a result into an air ball. The rare times where Jensen has fallen into a flat start. Usually sila yung unang bumubulusok in their wins. Uchvik, 5 on the shot clock. Cruz. But that pass intended to Val Acuña. Santos coming away with a rebound, but a poor pass. Play out the passing lanes. Walang, as a result, hindi makapag-execute na maayos itong Jetson.
And Cebu now has a 9-point lead in this ballgame.
Gabo, Porter tries a free. It's good. Gabo, nakawala. The layup is good for HG. Cruz. Crossover, the pull-up. Silky smooth from the Ant-Man.
Longer in this ballgame.
What a pass to Antonio Eusebio, who as Denison drills in the jumper. 25-21 in favor of Cebu. Let's see how they respond. Mark Rose answers right back with a trifecta to Vin Ariar off the dribble. Pass to Baipyong. No, he lost it. Fontanilla, pass to Mark Cruz. Back to Joshua Fontanilla for that shot inside. Montiveros. 3-point shot is good! Denison, naiwanan. Pasok yan, galing sa 3. Jonicio sa loob, dinukot at naipasok yung tira. Pull-up jumper off that crossover dribble, no problem. 4 points for Joshua Fontanilla. Everente pass down low, dinukot pa sa ilalim, going for the reverse. Camacho, the pitch ahead. Desiderio sprinting down the floor, lays it in for his first 2 points.
Caught napping in the defense.
Jonicio, picada sa 3. Everente coming out, attacking the defense of Antonio Eusebio, and he scores. Meneses on that secondary effort. Desiderio flips it up, puts it in, plus the foul. Drives, dumps it down low, no, it's a turnover. Reverente, pasa kay Camacho, the lefty finish from the Macho Man.
We started the third quarter. Jensen was only down by 1 point. They have 7 points at that.
Peros got lost on defense. Nakawala si Adi Santos for 2. Steal by Fontanilla. He will lay it in. Kalamangan babak sa 8. Cruz, another open free. He hits it. Acuña, step back jumper is good.
What a shot by Val Acuña.
Fontanilla on an island against Denison. The Hesse, the finish plus the foul. Incredible move from Joshua Fontanilla. Fontanilla challenging Simon Camacho. And he gives Jensen the lead, 63-62. The intensity boiling through right now.
Actually, they were asking for a foul before that play na napatinsin ang Union.
Fontanilla ahead. What a move!
Look
Cross
at
from
that
Fontanilla
move.
down to Simi. Now you don't. Past the halfway point of the foot. Jensen, labang ng tatlo. That screen for Gabo. Jodisho, catch and shoot. He drills it from downtown.
Just there by the Jensen Warriors.
Credit this one. They've been tested a few times this season. Unang laro lang nila. Kahit palumang sila ng malaki, nahabol lang din yan. But kept themselves afloat. Almost a similar case against Ilagan and Isabela. Eusebio cleared for takeoff. He lays it in over Mark Meneses. Meneses goes right back at him. He scores plus the foul. Eusebio, the dagger from downtown. What a shot, Anton Eusebio.
Yes, you're right. This is the guy who really made the spark for the Jensen Warriors.
At tuloy-tuloy ang pagpapanalo ng Jensen, defeating Cebu in this highly anticipated matchup in the South, 91-80.